नमस्कार दोस्तों, स्वागत है आपका इस वीडियो में। इस वीडियो के थ्रू हम लोग लास्ट 6 मंथ्स के करंट अफेयर के पार्ट 3 को डिस्कस करने वाले हैं। तो स्टार्ट करते हैं वीडियो। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है आपका, विच यूनियन मिनिस्टर हैज लॉन्च द भारत रणभूमि दर्शन ऐप ऑन जनवरी 17, 2025? ऑप्शन बी, राजनाथ सिंह। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, हु हैज लॉन्च द नेशनल टर्मरिक बोर्ड ऑन जनवरी 14, 2025? ऑप्शन बी, पीयूष गोयल। Bilateral exercise Bongo Sagar has been conducted between India and पीडीएफ के लिए आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन में टेलीग्राम का लिंक मिल जाएगा, आप ज्वाइन कर सकते हो फॉर पीडीएफ एंड मेनी अपडेट्स। बिटवीन इंडिया एंड बांग्लादेश। व्हाट इज द रैंक ऑफ इंडिया इन करप्शन परसेप्शन इंडेक्स 2024? ऑप्शन बी, 96th। द 15th एडिशन ऑफ एरो इंडिया 2025 हेल्ड इन विच सिटी? ऑप्शन बी, बेंगलुरु। हु हैज बीन अपॉइंटेड एज द प्रिंसिपल सेक्रेटरी टू पीएम मोदी? बताइए। प्रिंसिपल सिक्योरिटी 2 जो है ये हो जाएंगे आपके कौन, और 1 भी मैं आपको बता देता हूँ। प्रिंसिपल सिक्योरिटी P1 जब आएगा ना, तो आपको याद रखना ये हो जाएंगे प्रमोद कुमार मिश्रा, ठीक है। लेकिन क्वेश्चन है प्रिंसिपल सेक्रेटरी 2, है ना, तो ये हो जाएंगे शक्तिकांत दास, जो कि आरबीआई के फॉर्मर गवर्नर है ना। अगला क्वेश्चन, बीएपीएस मंदिर हैज बीन कंस्ट्रक्टेड इन विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग कंट्री? यूनाइटेड अरब इमिरेट्स। The world's tallest Ambedkar statue has been unveiled in which state of India? And the height of statue is 206 feet. In which state? Andhra Pradesh. Who inaugurated Ayodhya Ram Temple on 22nd January 2024? Option B, Narendra Modi. Which country has made the world's most powerful hydrogen train engine? Option A, India. Who has been appointed as the Director General of CRPF? CRPF stands for Central Reserve Police Force. Right answer is option D, Gyanendra Pratap Singh. The Uttarakhand government has signed an agreement with which country to achieve carbon neutrality? Option B, Iceland. Who launched the Naksha initiative recently? Option C, Shivraj Singh Chauhan. What is the rank of India in Global Gender Gap Index 2025? (131st). What is the rank of India in Global Peace Index 2025? (115th). Which country has topped in the Global Peace Index 2025? Option A, Iceland. Which country built the world's first 3D printed train station? Japan. Global Technology Summit 2025 was hosted by which country? India. What is the rank of India in Global Firepower Index 2025? Option B, 4th. Who has been appointed as the 11th chairman of ISRO? ISRO stands for Indian Space and Research Organization and their headquarters is in Bangalore, Karnataka. And new appointed chairman is V. Narayanan. Which are the first 2 Indian cities to be recognized as wetland cities? Option B, Indore and Udaipur. Who is the chief guest of the Republic Day 2025? Prabowo Subianto, and he is the president of Indonesia. Next question: who won the men's single title at Australian Open 2025? Option B: Jannik Sinner. Which state won the Tableau Award of Republic Day Parade 2025? Uttar Pradesh. What is the name of the India's first electric air taxi? Option B: Shunya. Where will India's first tiger breeding center be set up? Option D: Madhya Pradesh. Which city has been declared as the cleanest city in India in the ninth edition of Swachh Sarvekshan? Indore, Madhya Pradesh. Madhur Roth passed away recently at the age of 92, associated with which dance form? Option A: Odissi. Muhammad bin Abdullah Masjid is being built in which state? Right answer: Option C: Uttar Pradesh. Which state granted scheduled tribes a status to Hatti community? Option B: Himachal Pradesh. Which state's Dhordo village has been awarded UNWTO Best Tourism Village 2023? 2025 होगा ना? UNWTO stands for United Nations World Tourism Organization, and this right answer is Gujarat. Hoysala Temple recently in news located in which state of India? Option D: Karnataka. Which city has become the first Indian city to join World Cities Cultural Forum? Option A: Bangalore. Who launched the Jal Vahak scheme to promote inland waterways and agro cargo movement in India? Option C: Sarbanand Sonowal. Which institute collaborated with the Ministry of Agriculture to launch Project Vistar? Option A: IIT Madras. Which country hosted the North Atlantic Treaty Organization Summit 2025? Option D: Netherlands. Who has been appointed as the new RAW chief? RAW stands for Research and Analysis Wings, and the new chief of RAW is Parag Jain. What is the rank of India in Energy Transition Index 2025? Option B: 71st. Where is the headquarters of United Nations World Tourism Organization? Madrid, Spain. Gandhi Sagar Wildlife Sanctuary is located in which state of India? Madhya Pradesh. Which state became the first in India to implement scheduled caste subclassification? Option A: Telangana. Which state topped the Panchayat Advancement Index? Option C: Gujarat. What is the rank of India in Global AI Investment 2025? Option B: 10th. Rangoli Bihu festival was celebrated in which state of India? Rangoli Bihu festival in Assam. When is Ambedkar Jayanti celebrated every year? 14th April. Satyendranath Bose Astronomical Observatory has been set up in which state? Right answer, West Bengal. Which team won the Vijay Hazare Trophy 2024-25? Karnataka. Which country won the title of Kho World Cup 2025? Right answer, option A, India. How many personalities have been awarded with the Major Dhyanchand Khel Ratna Award 2024? Total 4 personalities. And the last question is Harmanpreet Singh is associated with which sports? हरमनप्रीत सिंह का संबंध किस खेल से है? हॉकी. सो वीडियो को भी पैन करते हैं. वीडियो अच्छा लगा हिमाचल पे आप नए हो तो लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब जरूर करें. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में.